Here's another video for PLDT users. There's an earlier video where you can be able to access the new super admin because the old way to access the router doesn't work anymore. So once you're inside, here's one cool thing you can do inside the interface. You can be able to block certain users from accessing your connection. Well, the new interface is safer now because there's a specific link you need to use in order to log into the interface, unlike before, where anyone can just try to access your connection if they know the basic login, in case you haven't changed the default Wi-Fi password, of course. But aside from that security feature, changing your Wi-Fi password, there are more things you can do once inside the interface. One of which is to find out what are the what active clients, or let's say what devices are connected to your Wi-Fi. You can check that by going to Setup, Basic, and click this one here. Well, I did click that earlier, but I've erased or just covered details of the devices because it's our devices. If you know how many devices are connected to your Wi-Fi, then of course you would know if there are extra other gadgets connected. But that doesn't really help much since you can't block them. But the good thing, there's a way to do that too. You would need to go to the same, well, it's in the same tab, Setup, but it will be under Access Control List. You would have to tick this button here. If you choose this option, it was actually on disable earlier. If you choose this option, you would need to paste the devices, the MAC addresses of all the devices within your household. You would press add, and only these would be allowed. The other option is to deny, but that's gonna be quite tedious since you don't really know which devices are from other people, but you would know which ones are yours. But that's gonna be a different it's gonna be a different process because you're gonna have to manually check each of the devices one by one. Like you have to figure out how to find the MAC address of a certain laptop model or a certain phone model. So you can paste them here and add them to the allow listed. And if you know how many devices are connected to your Wi-Fi, there's another way that can help you block other people from connecting. Go to Advanced Client Limit. And if you enable this option here, you can limit how many devices can connect to your network. There you go. Seems easy to block other people from connecting to your Wi-Fi. And I hope you try it and hope it works.